Coucou, bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo. Donc après Étape, on a pris le ferry pour rejoindre Huahine où on est resté une semaine.
Mahana away, like looking through a fog mirror. Decision to decisions are made and not bought, but I thought this wouldn't hurt a lot. I guess not. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees falling to be haunted. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees falling to be haunted. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees falling to be haunted. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees falling to be haunted. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees falling to be haunted. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of
Here I am in this old town, still dreaming of the open road. I've been here for far too long. There's so much more than this I know. It's been years since I've been gone. I miss the way it feels to roam. This urge that's grown inside my heart to pack my bags and hit the road. I'm dreaming of the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within. We will fill the tank and make our way down windy tracks and beaten roads. We'll drive away from this old town and find a place we've never known, with the summer sun over open plains, with the windows down. We'll drive along, and our hearts will grow as our troubles fade away. off the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within.
Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. A dream of paradise, paradise, paradise. Oh, she dreamed of paradise, paradise, so lying underneath those stormy skies, she said, oh, I know the sun was set to rise. This could be paradise, paradise, could be paradise. Oh, this could be
Y a pas de wifi. Sauf qu'il y a le match dans
On a le temps.
1h30.
Trees of green and red roses too, I watched them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? We really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Everybody gotta save themselves, make the kuleana pono for help the other. And when you make the kuleana, pono,